Good morning, children. In this video, we will do the exercise and question answers of chapter number 4. To take out page number, open the page number 34 and learn with me, understand with me, and learn with me, and read also. Now I know water is present in abundance of the earth. Okay, water is present in the abundance of earth. There are many sources of water on the earth. ठीक है, अभी आपको ये सब चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए. ओके, देयर आर मेनी सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर ऑन द अर्थ. और अर्थ इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ ब्लू प्लैनेट. रिवर, लेक्स, ponds, oceans, seas and streams are main source of water. Water is used for various purposes like cooking, drinking, bathing and water plants. There are three forms of water: solid, liquid and gas. ठीक है, solid is ice, liquid is water and gas is water vapor. Water pollution means the contamination of water. ठीक है, water is supplied to the taps in our house through pipelines and boiling the water kills germs in it. Water can be purified by using water purifiers. Okay, now these are the things you know. Then let us practice. Fill in the blanks. All living things needs dash to live. So all living things need water to live. Dash is the main source of water. So dash is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Dash, the water kills germs in it. Boiling the water kills germs in it. Okay, water should be made of safe for drinking water. So water should be made safe for drinking the water. Koi B. On page number 32, there's B. So circle the odd one out. So whatever you think is odd, circle it. River, mountain, lake. Okay, and pond. So river, lake, pond is liquid and mountains is something different physical feature of the earth. So circle on the mountain. Okay, I'm circling it. So circle. Okay, circle on the mountain. Then you have bathing, cooking, swimming, combing. So bathing, cooking and swimming, obviously water is involved. But combing, there is no water involved, so circle on the combing. Okay, then ice, water vapor, petrol. So ice, water and water vapor are the forms of water, but the petrol is not the form of water. It is the resources. These are also resources. Petrol is the form of use in the vehicles. Petrol use in the vehicles. You cannot use water, ice and vapors in the vehicles. Then you have evaporation, condensation, purification and precipitation. So evaporation, condensation and precipitation, these are the process of these are the part of the process of water cycle. And purification is the different thing. Purification is it comes in a cleaning of water or water supply में आता है काम. Purification is the part of water supply, and evaporation, condensation and precipitation are the part of the water cycle. Then open the page number 35. So match the column. Okay, so match the column ice. Now see, match the column ice, solid, drinking water, source of water. No, sorry. Wait. Okay, so drinking water is liquid, river is the source of water and the water vapor is gas. Ice, solid, drinking water is liquid, river is the source of water and water vapor is gas. So Now come to the D. D, answer the following question. Why our Earth is called blue planet? Why our Earth is called blue planet? Okay, so I'm telling you the page number. So answer 1, page number 28. Take out the page number 28. Open the page number 28. So there is an answer. Our Earth is also known as a blue planet because three-fourth of its surface is covered with water. So जो भी three-fourth surface है water, three-fourth surface है Earth का, that is covered with water. मतलब बहुत large part covered है Earth का as in water. So इसलिए Earth is called blue planet. Now second question is, give some uses of water. Page number 28 again. So we use water for, इसको हम I will make this answer small. I will give you pages, I will give you the pics of the copies, pictures of the chapter 4, that how you have to write the everything, key terms and all that stuff. So we use water for many purposes like bathing, washing, cleaning. Water also help us digesting food. मतलब आपको washing, cleaning के लिए, आप bathing के लिए काम करते water use करते हैं, और water digest करने के लिए food use करते हैं. We use water for generating electricity generate करने के लिए we use water, and transportation also. Plant and animals also drink water, they survive on that. So these are the different uses of water. Now another third question is, what is water pollution? So what is water pollution? Yeah, so water pollution, there it is, page number 32. Page number 32 पे there is an answer. The contamination of water is called water pollution. Water becomes unsuitable for drinking due to the water pollution. ठीक है, तो क्या है, अब जब वाटर इम्प्योर हो जाता है, डेंजरस हो जाता है, पानी पीने लायक नहीं रहता, तो वो वाटर पोल्यूशन कहलाता है ना, और हम पानी नहीं पी पाते. और देयर आर फ्यू एक्टिविटीज़ जो आप पानी डर्टी कैसे होता है तो आप ये 2 लिख दीजिएगा, है ना, ऐसे करके. मैं आपको खैर लिख के दूंगी तो आप लोड नहीं दीजिए. देन व्हाट इज कंडेंसेशन? टेक आउट द पेज नंबर, ओपन द पेज नंबर 31. सो कंडेंसेशन, yes, on cooling water vapor from small droplets of water, this process is called condensation. Page number 31. On cooling water vapor forms droplets of water, this process is called condensation. That is called condensation. ये अभी मैं बुक में से आपको बता रही हूँ कि ये यहाँ आंसर्स हैं, मैं आपको पूरा लिख के बताऊँगी करेक्ट फॉर्म में. ठीक है. लास्ट, वाई शुड वी ऑलवेज ड्रिंक क्लीन वाटर. सो आप ऐसे लिख कर सकते हैं, वी शुड ऑलवेज ड्रिंक क्लीन वाटर बिकॉज, पेज नंबर 33, if we do not drink water that is clean, we may get waterborne diseases like cholera and jaundice. Okay, and no one wants to get ill. So this is how we will complete this chapter. Then we have Hots. Gia drank water directly from the river and fell ill. Why do you think she got ill? So this is the HLA. Okay, मतलब जिया ड्रैंक, उसने पानी पिया, कहाँ से, रिवर से डायरेक्ट पिया. शी डिडंट प्यूरिफाई द वाटर एंड शी फेल इल. एंड वाई डू यू थिंक शी गॉट इल? आप बताइए मुझे क्यों वाई शी गॉट इल. ठीक है. नाउ पेस्ट एंड ड्रॉ pictures of any 2 sources of water in the given box. Okay, so this is also an HLA. ठीक है, today's HLA. So this is how we have completed the chapter, and we will do the next chapter in coming classes. So bye, have a nice day.